Alright, we're on the road again. Pre-shower. Picked up something else for Turd. It's kind of sketchy, but we gotta do it. Oh god, I wasn't recording. Okay, I'll let you know how it goes, but this isn't the heaviest thing I ever held. Let me wave this actual truck. It's not a truck, I'm sorry. Well, something else a Tesla truck you don't see doing. Hauling farm equipment. Just me and a Ford Focus. And it's not the heaviest thing, but it is the most awkward. I think we're reaching the upper limits of that trailer of size. Not weight, but size. I think it's like 600 pounds, which is still lighter than an Excelsior. But, alright, I'll let you know how it goes. Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for joining me on some shenanigans. Like always, I'm with my favorite shenaniganer, Turd, and we have some fun today, and a bit of a surprise for you. Check this out. Since we're forcing antique farm equipment to still work, you know, people get to retire, but cars don't, tractors don't. And Turd doesn't want to. He just gets bored in retirement. He sat there for 20 years, too bored. So now we're going to get him back to work. Again, some more, because we work them all the time. But this one's a bit tough, right? So this 5-foot bush hog, everything works great on it. I'm about to check the oil, but it spins real well. But it is missing these chain guards, so I'm going to start threading these through. We're going to cut the rod, weld it up, and then we're going to hook this up and see if it starts working. I'm kind of excited about this because we do get a lot of brush out here, and the brush is fairly thick, so even a riding lawnmower won't do it. And the way it works out here is it rains for a while, and then everything just grows like a banshee and then dies immediately and just turns into twigs and stuff. It's kind of strange. There's no lag period. It's either wet or dead and dry. So you have to hit it right in the sweet spot. At least you know that won't rust, huh?
I told you. You're higher in the front than you are the back. So
later.